Did you know that we can use the preposition on to mean that someone has something in a pocket or in a bag that they are carrying? So if someone says, I don't have my credit card on me, it will mean the speaker isn't carrying his or her credit card. Similarly, do you have any cash on you? I'm 100 rupees shy of the total amount. By the way, here the word shy does not mean nervous and uncomfortable with other people. Here, shy means less than. Okay, let's get back to the topic. Maybe in the middle of a test, your pen stopped working properly and you are not carrying a spare pen. In this situation, you asked one of your classmates, Hey, do you have a spare pen on you? Easy, right? Thanks for watching.